Boy, one thing that has returned to pre-pandemic levels: foreclosures. That's according to new numbers from a real estate data company. Foreclosure proceedings more than quadrupled in Wake County this year as compared to last year, up 425%. In Durham County, last month's foreclosure starts jumped 75% year over year, and in Fayetteville, that ranked in the top 10 metro regions for the rate of foreclosure proceedings this year. Joining us tonight to talk about those startling new numbers, Raleigh Regional Association of Realtors board member Maya Galletta. Thanks so much for joining us, Maya. With foreclosures up more than 400% in Wake County alone, what do you think is contributing to this spike?
I think, first of all, it's important to read beyond the headlines, right? And 400% of one, right, is four. So it's important to see that even at these 481 foreclosure proceedings, it's not bad. And when we think about the fact that we are back to pre-pandemic levels, what I can say is it's normal. We are back to normal. What's contributing to it? I believe that a lot of people, lost their jobs. They still haven't been able to find a job. I believe people found jobs that maybe are not compatible to those jobs that they had before then and have not been able to catch up.
But that's great perspective. You know what they say about statistics, so thank you for that. How is the triangle comparing to the national trend when it comes to foreclosures?
Nationally, we are way, way below. So I was doing some research right before this, and I mean, we are way below, not even compared to some other areas. Some of our numbers statewide are driven by certain counties, but the triangle itself is very low compared to the nation.
What do you have as the best advice for people facing foreclosure on their homes?
Don't let them take it. There are so many options. Call your realtor. There's lots of us out there that are willing to help. We are equity rich in this area. There is no reason that you should let the bank take your home. You should be able to get out of there, make some money, and not let it affect your credit as much as it would.
Well, that's great to know. I think people probably don't realize. They think, I'm behind on my mortgage payments. I don't have a choice, so I have to give it back to the bank.
No, you don't. You don't. You need to call a real estate professional, and you need to let us help you get out of there. There's a lot of people looking for homes. We still have less inventory than we actually need. So there are plenty of people that would be more than happy to have your home.
What does the real estate market look like in our area right now? We were talking about it being so hot, it cooled off a little bit. What do you see for the next couple of months?
It's cooled off some, but I think we needed it. I don't think that it was sustainable to keep going the way that we were going. Some people are on the sidelines right now. We're getting used to these new interest rates. But I believe, people need to come out. People are going to have to buy houses. People get jobs. People have babies. There's so many things that contribute to the market. They're out there. I think people need to let the fear go away and come back out.
All right. You made us feel better. Maya Galletta, thanks so much for joining us tonight.